guys, today I'll be solving a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube and I'm also going to be counting my solve, which means I'm timing my solve, and as you can see there's a stopwatch on the top right of the corner, and before we solve the cube we always have to scramble it. Let me just make it more easier for you to see. I put a mat so my cube won't get damaged, and I think let the scrambling begin. Oh, I solved the cube. Okay, pretty good so far. I'm trying to get no repeating colors on the same face. Okay, I got it. Inspecting the cube so I potentially don't get a slower time. This, okay. Now I think I'm going to start solving. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What happened? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Where's... Okay, first layer in a few seconds. I just wanted to under 10 seconds. Okay, last step. One, two, three. We got a 43.63 second solve. That's a good solve. Even though my average is around 28 seconds, I don't care. Anything under 1 minute is very good. So, second solve. Let me just reset the timer. Second scrambling is beginning. Turn. Okay, it's pretty hard now to get that one in each face. Yep, I don't care even if there's one like if there is one like sticking out and there's two repeating faces, then I don't care. Let's just in 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay, first layer, record time first layer. I literally completed it under like what? How many seconds? I don't know, but I did record time 20 seconds. Second solved 20 seconds. New best. New best. My best was 28 seconds. Guess new best. 20. Okay. And now last solve. And also next video it's going to be my 100 solves video. Even though I did like 79 solves off camera, I don't care. I'm going to do a 100 solve video the next time I bring this on the channel. And now 3, 2, wait, I forgot to reset the timer. Yes. 3, 2, let me just, 3, 2, 1. Let me scramble the cube. Okay, okay, okay. Now do this, this. Okay, this is our scramble. Let's give it a shot. Okay, 3 pieces found. Let's start this. 3, 2, 1, start. Now just Again, record good time. Record time. I tell you folks, it means record time. Firstly, oh my gosh, it's so close to completing the second step on first try. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What? What's wrong? Oh my gosh, not this again. I gotta win the whole cube just to solve this one mistake. Oh god, I hate this. Happens now, I can solve the cube. If I have to do, if I have to mess up the cube 3 times to solve this, I'm just not gonna be happy. Okay, last piece, last algorithm. Not the best solve because of that mistake, but I'll take it. Thanks for watching. Those are my 3 solves. Hope you watched the 100 solve video.